Here's another very low mile example of a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. It was brought to us out of a collection. If you've been watching any of our videos and vehicles that have been getting uploaded lately, you've noticed we've had a Mercedes, a BMW, and now this Chevy SSR that are extremely low miles, a little over 2,400. I believe it was 2,403 on this one. Very, very nice black SSR. The 2005, of course, is powered by the more desirable 6-liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This particular one has the chrome plated wheels added to it, and then it does have the wood trim package in the bed of it. That was a dealer installed option that has been installed on it, and there's also still the platinum colored ones that would come with it too in a box in the back. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out the bed of it and underneath the hood, the underside of this truck, and you'll realize how nice and clean it really is. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, this one also has the windscreen added to it, which was a aftermarket or Chevy option, I should say, you've got from the dealer. There is also a bag for that in the bed of it. So if you're looking at the still pictures and you wonder what that bag is, that's for that windscreen if you wanted to take it off and put it in there. Again, 2005 SSR with a little over 2,400 miles. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on this vehicle. We can reach at 507-386-1726. This is also bone stock. There's never been any modifications or anything done to it. The owner's manual, the window sticker, the warranty book, the get to know your SSR, all those manuals are included with it. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up here. So you can hear it run. He's got a nice growl right from the factory. As you can see, there's no engine lights or any lights on in the dash. There's your miles, 2,403. Check out, it does have both stereo system to it. The gauge cluster, that's factory down there. These have the power, hard retractable top, of course. All the steering wheel controls for the driver's information center and the radio. Take a look at the seats also. See how there's no wear to them either side. Check out the floor mats, and it's basically about like brand new. Again, check out the still pictures. Check out the underside of this vehicle. See, it's just as clean as the top. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around to the back so you can hear the rumble out of that 6-liter. Nothing crazy, but a nice rumble. This stock exhaust. The vehicle is all stock, with the exception of that windscreen added. So give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, maybe set up transportation, find out how we can get it to your doorstep. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. 2005 Chevrolet SSR with only 2,400 miles on it.